Hey guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in home of our English 205 English Lit 1 class. And of course, home for us serves as a bulletin board to our classroom. And what do we have on our bulletin board for this week? Week 3 in modules, April 27th to May 3rd, 2020. We have one of my favorite works in medieval literature from the Canterbury Tales, published in 1400. The author is Geoffrey Chaucer. We have his Wife of Bath. And this artwork here is a costume designer's imagining of the Wife of Bath, what she would look like dressed like this. So this is a good visual for you. And of course, we have her saucy wink right here, which will make sense when you read The Wife of Bath if you've never read this work before. Okay, so we have Chaucer Part 1, the essay. It is due by 11:59 p.m. on May 1st. And we have Chaucer Part 2, the pair evaluations. They are due by 11:59 p.m. on May 3rd. I'm going to click on our handy link to modules right here. And it takes us right into the essay. All right. So here is all the information. We have links throughout this assignment. We have a Madonna Woman of the Year acceptance speech, which you'll want to watch in whole, and that is there, and various other links. All right, read these directions very carefully. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox, and please remember, do not submit late assignments without following the late policy in the syllabus. Okay, I'm going to remind you of something. This Monday, the 27th of April, and I'll click on modules to remind you. I'm going to go to last week's assignment, April 20th to the 26th. We had Beowulf, the essay, and peer evaluations. Okay, I'm scrolling down this assignment, and we see one of your peers' threads here. Remember that you have to not only perform peer evaluations, you also have to respond to them. So I'm going to the bottom of your peer's essay thread right here, and you see questions from me here that I've asked. And of course, your peer has answered them right here. And then we have an evaluation from Kyle to your peer, and your peer has responded to it. Make sure in your essay thread that you respond to any questions I ask you, and you respond to any peer evaluations, and you have all of this Monday to do that. Okay, we're looking at another essay of another peer right here, and we're scrolling down, and we're looking below her essay thread, which is right below her essay. We have questions from me. And my questions are always with an animated question in a box. And we have a peer evaluation. And then we have the peer responding. So make sure you respond. It is part of your grade. All right, we're scrolling up. I'm going to scroll up fast. Hopefully I don't make you and me dizzy in doing so. Let's go back up to the top of the screen. And we're in home, back onto our bulletin board with this very appropriate image. I think this envisioning of what the Wife of Bath looks like. And once again, I'm going to remind you, I'm here in inbox. If you need me, don't hesitate to contact me. Let's have a good week, and I hope everybody is okay in this COVID-19 era.